In this episode, Steve replaces sinks in both the heads and we visit a German outpost and share with you the secret we've been hiding for nearly 3 weeks.
Bags are packed, are you ready to go? This time tomorrow we'll be on the
We are
road.
Steve and Annette, a semi-retired couple who sold up everything to fulfill our dream of sailing the world, or as far as we can get. We spent 10 years planning to start our dream. In the end, you only ever regret the chances you didn't take.
It's warm in the sun, but yeah, we still got jackets and everything on, because when you're not in the sun or the wind's picked, it's a bit chilly. But
Mele banane a 80 centesimi, 2,5 kg 2 euro.
Typical of many countries in the Mediterranean, fruit and veg is grown locally and is great quality.
A couple of years ago, just went to things like this and bought bed sheets and the like just for sunshades, and just bought them in beautiful colours, so that we got a bit of colour about the place.
The main difference between markets in the Mediterranean and markets back at home in the UK is that they don't have meat stalls here, they have fish stalls. And on this occasion we bought swordfish steaks, which were absolutely delicious.
No problem, go get another one.
Wowzers, thank you.
Not really the answer. No. So I just went and changed it for a more conventional.
I had an ice cream today.
More conventional meter for the same price.
Delicious, that darling.
Wow.
Oh, it's like being in a nightclub. When the lights go down. To go home.
Everybody out! Come on!
Well, whose go is it now? Mine.
It is.
I swear.
I put myself in his jaws and he bit me all the way through the middle. And Kim has lost the plot.
Could you move me on 6, please?
Steve's out. Mags is out.
Oh.
Oh, nice one. Nice one. Oh.
Well, we're not surprised, so don't act all like it's really something special. One of you should at least have an out card. We've got 5 cards each, so you bastards have got 15 between you. You've not got a single out card. It wasn't that cool. You know what?
We had a fantastic day with our friends Matt and Anna at Punta della Mola on the south side of Siracusa Bay. It's covered in German forts from World War II. The area is also known because it is here that the stones were extracted from the sea and the cliffs by the Greeks to build the ancient city of Ortigia across the bay.
Still, every March to May we do Greek representation, speaking Greek, and they do I don't know, it's like the volume, they don't have a microphone and they shout. Yes.
Yeah, which is what amphitheatres do, don't it? Yes,
And it's so beautiful. I wish it was open. Before the castle was there though, like just when the stone was there, just the corner there. They said that there was Archimedes put a big lens, like a like glass, to burn the ships of the Greeks coming.
Oh, yes.
The town,
Yeah, so like the reflection from the sun. Yeah.
The other side, but I think you have to drive there. There are some cliffs with the hole in the middle, and the waves go in, and they make the wave go.
Oh, come, yeah.
Yes.
It was far too cold for us to swim, but this whole area is known for its underwater caves and apparently statues under the sea.
She will never know, never know, she will never know, never know, she'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go.
We've decided to do a quick makeover on our rear and forward heads. The sinks, the doors and a quick paint job.
Oh, so this is the old aft heads unit, which we chopped the sink out years ago and haven't reinstated it. We couldn't find anything we liked or was in the right place, or anyway, this is a fiberglass thing and it's got this upstand, and I did think about cutting that off, but if I cut it off it loses its kind of, well, I think it will lose its strength. So I bought a couple of pieces of beach block that were 30 centimeters wide, and I've joined them together and then routed a groove in the back to take account of that upstand, because without the upstand, or it doesn't fit underneath this wood, and I don't know, so I've routed a groove in, so now it fits underneath there nicely. Coat number 5. So that's just schooner, which is international schooner gloss, and I'm now going to go on to the rubbed effect, the Epiphanes rubbed effect, because I don't want it looking shiny. I want it looking dull. We got the other one.
No, I will not be able to use that foul language, Steve.
Oh! It's not even a recognised size.
What do you mean it's not even a recognised size? What?
The nut. It fits nothing that I've got. And it's not American.
Do you want me to use my little hands?
To do what?
Push me in your throat. Yes.
Choke me.
Calm yourself. It could be because you've forgotten some parts.
Could be that I could just punch your face in.
It's nice for me. Oh, lucky I am to have a lovely husband like you.
You are lovely and lucky. Yeah, it's a face of not happy.
I don't know why you don't ask for some help.
Yeah. What, from who?
From me? From what, you nasty bugger.
I don't need it burning. What, with your delicate little fingers?
Go shove it where the sun don't shine.
Oh, that's nasty, isn't it? Eh? That's helpful.
So this is the finished forward head. So we've got one at the back and one at the front of the boat, and this is the forward one. So he's replaced the sliding panel doors there, and sink's working, shower's working. That looks really nice, looks so much nicer than what it did before. Oh, you've got your mask under them. We're off to get Gus! We're off to get Gus! 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 We're off to get Gus!
You'll drive the bloody thing mad before we've even started.
Yeah. I won't. No, you can't go that way, Dan.
All right.
Okay, we're in a drive-through. You can't go backwards through a drive-through. But you're always shouting at me.
Yeah. You're always driving me mad.
Oh, Enrico. We've got an Enrico. We're going on the Enrico road.
Bronte?
Bronte. Oh, we've got the Bronte sisters now.
So we picked up Giuseppe and he's in the car. And the people we got him from loved him very, very much. And he seems a really happy little dog.
What's so
going on? What's going on, Gus, eh?
It's a little weird.
What's going on?
I'm so pleased they can play together straight away because it's really good for them. And we've got that big cage, so we can even put them out in a little bit of sunshine and leave them, not have to worry about
We rehomed our last dog Woody before we set off on this journey, thinking that it was the best thing to do as we were unsure how easy or difficult it would be when entering new countries. Our decision to come into the Med and then the pandemic hitting us all made us realise that life is far too short to live it without a dog. We tried desperately to get a rescue dog, but no one would believe a dog could possibly live on a boat. Giuseppe, Gus for short, will now travel with us for as far as we sail around the world. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed meeting Gus. Please leave us a comment below, subscribe and hit the notification button if you're not already subbed. Give us a like and share with your friends. We really do appreciate it. If you'd like to support us in the making of these videos, the link to Patreon is in the comments section below. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you in 2 weeks. Bye.